In this video tutorial, we will learn how to disassemble a Nintendo DS. In a version light, we will need the following tools: a cutting knife, some tweezers, a Nintendo screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. The first thing to do is to turn around the DS light and take out the battery. Unscrew the screw, take off the lid, and finally take off the battery with a cutting knife. Now, with the Nintendo screwdriver, let's unscrew the following screws. Once done, take the cutting knife and remove the rubber pieces which hides the last two screws. After removing these rubber pads, continue removing the screws. Now take out the pen, and the machine will be openable. With care, try to open the case. Now, we have to remove the solder buttons, but take care of the springs assembled to them. The next step is to remove the wireless module with a screwdriver. Take out the antenna cable, and then remove the wireless module. Okay, now remove this other cable. And let's open this connector. Open the lock with a screwdriver and remove the cable with the tweezers. Once done, we have to remove this screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Now the motherboard is free. The next step is to take off the screen. Now you have to press softly the lower screen. Now we have to take out this cable, so unlock this connector and take out the cable. Do the same with the screen's cable. As we can see, this screen is thinner than the original DS screen, but it uses the same system as the original DS. It's got two components, the touchable pad and the screen itself. If we want to remove the board, we will have to pull the antenna cable under the gain cartridge connector. Once done, remove the motherboard. Now we have to take out the rubber pads, the buttons, and the directional pad. The next step is to remove these two screws. Once done, open the case and remove the plastic piece. Take special attention to the cables in this corner. As you can see, the lower part of the case has been fully disassembled. The following steps are to disassemble the upper case of the Nintendo DS Lite. First, we have to take off the rubber pieces which hide the screws. And once done, we have to remove all the screws. Now we have to separate the case sides. It's extremely simple. You have to only slide the two sides of the case and it will get opened. Now here we got the speakers, the upper screen, the microphone, and the wireless antenna of the DS. To take out the speakers, lift them up and they will be removed. The next step is to remove the upper screen. The upper screen is glued to the case, but there should be no problem. Pull it gently. Once done, remove the wireless antenna and pull from the cable to remove it completely. After this, you can remove the microphone with a cutting knife. As you can see, the speakers are mounted in the screen, so if we want to disassemble them, we would have to unsolder them. Now we have to roll this cable to make it fit in the hole. Slide it until it's free, and there it is. So in this video tutorial we have showed how to disassemble completely a Nintendo DS.